Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to put a password on your Excel file on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 or any other operating system. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to put a password for your Excel file whenever you want to open the file, so it will ask a password to open the file. So I will show you how to add the password to your Excel file. For that, you have to just click on this office logo option, or you can just press Ctrl S. Just click on save as, select the location where you want to save, desktop or any other drive, and here you will find the tools option. Click on this arrow mark. Here you will find general option. Click on this, then add the password. Again you will see password to modify. Add the same password, then click OK. Again you have to re-enter your password and click OK. Once again you need to enter the password, then click OK again, then click on save. Now this file has been saved, so I'll close this file and open the location. See, when I try to open, it will ask for the password. When I will enter the password, the file will be open. That's it guys. So in this way you can put a password to the Excel file on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.